Zoom versus Google Meet versus Microsoft Teams. So let's compare them. Number one is their features. Zoom remains strong with breakout rooms, virtual backgrounds, and massive webinar support, while Google Meet integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace, making it simple for quick meetings. Lastly, Microsoft Teams goes beyond meetings. It offers chat, collaboration, and full Office 365 integration. Number two is their performance. Zoom delivers stable video quality even on weaker connections, while Google Meet has improved in 2025 with AI noise cancellation and smooth browser-based access. Next is Teams. Teams is solid but it can feel resource heavy, especially on older devices. Number three is their security. Zoom has tightened security with end-to-end encryption, while Google Meet benefits from Google's strong security infrastructure, and Microsoft Teams is enterprise grade with compliance and advanced security tools. Next is their ease of use. Zoom is extremely user-friendly for both beginners and professionals, while Google Meet is lightweight and fast, requiring no extra downloads, while Teams can feel complex for casual users, but it's perfect for businesses. Lastly is their pricing. Zoom has a free and paid plans, while Google Meet is included with Google Workspace subscriptions, and Team is bundled with Office 365, making it cost-effective for companies. So for final verdict, for simple and quick meetings, you can go for Google Meet. For professional webinars or large events, Zoom is the best. And for business collaboration and enterprise work, Microsoft Teams is the best for you. So make sure to like and subscribe.